Oh shit! What's good, y'all? Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another episode, son. So today, bro, today, we're doing a little something different today. Not really, because we already kind of did this before. So what we doing, man, we're gonna be recreating a burger. You know what I'm saying? A burger from where? We're gonna be recreating a burger from Red Robin. Yeah, bro, like, you know what's funny? Only reason I'm doing this video, bro, is because I'm low-key upset. You know what I'm saying? So like last night, bro, like I had a long day, bro. I had a real long day. I was like, bro, I'm gonna order some food. So like, I ordered some food. Of course, I was like, bro, I want me a burger. You feel me? And so what I do? I ordered some Red Robins. You know what I'm saying? The thing is, they closed their delivery time 10:30, bro. It was already like 10 something, and I was like, bet. So I ordered it real quick, bro. That joint was taking way too long. I was like, dog, I'm too hungry for this, bro. I canceled that joint, and I just want to whip me something. Then I got charged for that joint. You feel me? I can't be mad at it. I can't be mad at them charging me because they wound up still making it. You feel me? I'll have been like, shit, nigga, you getting charged too. You feel me? Like, I get it. You feel me? But I was like, no, man, I still want a burger, so that's what we gotta make. So we about to make some Red Robin's burger, bro. But the thing is, though, y'all coming with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all coming with me. All right? What was that?
It's none of my business. It's none of my business.
All right, whatever. Let's go. Yes, man. Like Red Robin. Let's talk about Red Robins for a little bit, bro. Like Red Robins, bro. No disrespect to Red Robins, man. I love Red Robins, man. That just became a tradition to for me and my mom to go to Red Robins every year on my birthday. And we still do that to this day, man. Like, I love my mama, man. Oh, snap. Hold on. I gotta turn this drink up, bro. This is the shit, bro. Hold on, let me turn it up for y'all a little bit. Let me turn the bass up a little bit.
With the bros, you know we gon' drip.
Hold on, let me turn the bass up.
Future cold, I might find out my wrist. Bitch, I know I ain't trusting no friends.
What? What was I saying? But sadly enough, man, they've been like, I don't know about everybody else's Red Robins or if y'all even had that joint, but it's like, my Red Robins, they kind of fell off a little bit, bro. Like, I'm worried about it, man. I don't want that joint to shut down, bro.
The dark room, loud tunes, let the nigga vows.
I hope I don't get copyrighted. Do I care?
I'ma get fucked up
Bro, I can't think properly, bro. My mind's just all over the freaking place. This is gonna be a freaking drive with ADHD right here, boy. Alright, man, so the Burning Love, man, this is my go-to burger every time I go to Red Robin's, right? So basically what it comes with is jalapeno chips, house-made salsa, pepper jack cheese, lettuce, tomato, and a chipotle aioli. I ain't gonna lie though, bro. Like, I ain't making my house-made salsa because I already got enough stuff to do, you feel me? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab our fresh ground beef and we're gonna foam up some patties, you know what I'm saying? So what you wanna do is, man, go ahead and grab it and start foaming up in a little ball, you know, so or a patty. It's really super simple, bro. You can add some eggs to it to help the foundation of it, but that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and add our season. What's gonna be some cayenne pepper, some Ghost Reaper pepper, and also some salt, pepper, and also some garlic powder, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and rub that stuff in and then put it to the side. So it's gonna start making our dough. So go ahead and get like 3 cups of flour, add a little bit of salt, some sugar into it, and that's gonna start adding our yeast into it, and then some warm milk. So a homie told me about this, I'm just trying out, but like look how it kind of turned out. As you can see, bro, like the dough kind of came out like soupy, and so I think I added too much milk because the homie told me like you can add milk to make some bread, so I just want to try it out. But like, yeah, it didn't really work out, bruh. So watch me kind of doctor it up by adding a whole bunch of flour to it. But I don't want to do this because it's just going to make my bread like dense, and I don't really want dense bread. I mean, when usually you make bread or any type of dough, you want it like light and fluffy and somewhat soft, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. So I just want to show y'all what y'all need to do just in case y'all dough come out soupy like this. I may try to add milk to it next time I make some bread, but pretty much is, bro, you just want to add a little bit of flour as you go and mix it in, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's starting to form up a little bit, but it looks pretty dense though, you know? So as you see, we're just starting to kind of like knead it, just to kind of help smooth out the surface of it. And I ain't gonna lie, it's starting to get that form a little bit, so it's looking kind of sexy. We're gonna have to give a little love tap, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now it's time to work on our potatoes. So after you get done washing and scrubbing your potatoes, please, first of all, please make sure you do that. You want to make sure you get all the extra dirt off and stuff like that, right? So we're going ahead and like peel off our potatoes, you know what I'm saying? And you see they're looking kind of sexy a little bit, you know what I mean? So at this point now, bro, I'm just trying to figure out how to cut these potatoes because I wanted the same uniform as the Red Robin potatoes. So at first I try to like cut it in half to start spearing it and like half the spears, but then I'm like, nah, bro, that don't look right, you know what I'm saying? So eventually I started finding the right move for it. So yeah, just start playing with your potatoes, man, you know what I mean? So once you find the right rhythm, go ahead and throw your potatoes in some cold water because we just kind of just wanted to sit there for we get all that starch off. And so while I was waiting for that, we're just going to start cutting our jalapenos, you know what I mean? And so we're going to go ahead and make our batter, which is going to be a couple eggs and some water and then some breadcrumbs because we're going to run on frying it. So what you want to do after you get done breading it, throw it in the freezer for about an hour or so, you know? And so at that point, our fries should be pretty good. So just going to take them out, dry them out really well, and then we're going to blanch them, you know what I mean? And once you get done blanching your fries, I let them sit out, dry out for a little bit, and then throw them in the air fryer. That's what I did. So as we're doing that, our dough should be nice and proofed up. So it's going to get it nice and formed up, and go ahead and start cutting to form up our bread dough, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and throw a little bit of flour on your pan and just kind of like do the same process you did when we were trying to knead it out, you know what I'm saying, kind of round it out, and now we're trying to like portion out, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is, bro, to like make it nice and smooth, you just want to kind of like roll the palm of your hands to kind of twist the ball, keep on doing that to get a smooth surface. So once you get done doing that, go ahead and spray down your pan and go ahead and throw it in the oven for about 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. But before you do that, go ahead and make an egg wash, throw it on top, and add some sesame seeds if you want to. While our bun's in the oven, let's go ahead and throw our jalapeno chips in a frying pan and cook them up. And so while they get done, our buns should be ready to get pulled out, and this is how it looks. It's a little too much dense for my opinion, but hey, I'm gonna make it work, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and move forward and cook our patties. It should be pretty simple, explanatory how to cook a patty. Throw it on the frying pan and cook it for about a couple minutes on each side, depending on how you want it. I'm looking for medium rare. And so yeah, bro, so let's see how it's looking. So let's go ahead and like analyze it. It says, and look, trust me, I was going to use my whole light setup, you know what I'm saying? Brad, what time is it? It's 10:40, almost 11, just got done. And I got work in the morning. I was just trying to go ahead. This is where Red Robin is, boy. You know what I'm saying? So let's try to fry. Not bad. I mean, they need a seasoning. They got it. They gave me the package. And I just didn't put it on there. So, but I always like their fries, man. Like, I had to reheat it obviously because it's been like several hours, you know, but it's not bad, you know what I'm saying? And funny story. Tell me how, right? I ordered this junk online, right? I must got bad luck with Red Robin's apparently. I ordered my food, but in a whole different state, dog. Pull up, told my name. It was like, we don't have that here, bruh. I was like, I had placed an order not too long ago, She looked at it, super nice people. And she was trying to figure out, too, like, dang, this dude really did, like, what the heck? And she realized the address didn't make sense. So luckily we got that all scared away, you know what I'm saying? But, so yeah, shout out to the lady who helped me out at Red Robin's. But, so jalapeno. That's good though. But let's analyze it for a little bit. So, yeah, so this is what it looked like. The lettuce, tomato, and I think this is their mayonnaise. I forgot to say no mayonnaise. And their, get a focus right here. And their jalapeno. Just gonna try it. Oh, That's good. Mm. Oh my God, that's good. After several hours too, bro, like that's good. And it being reheated, that's good. That's banging, bro. The burger's tender. And also I can't really taste the heat though. You know what I'm saying? Probably because I got it to go and it's been several hours, so I'm not gonna doubt too much points about it. And plus I'm literally starving, you know? So let me go ahead and try ours. Bam, so this is how we're looking, bro. So can I focus? Yes, sir, Bob, son. That's how we looking. But I'm not gonna knock the fries too bad because I didn't add the seasons to it that it come with, but I know what the fries supposed to taste like, and so it's not bad. And so this is our ooh. For one, that was a real crispy one. Ooh. Bro, that joint tastes like a potato chip, son. Oh my God. Hold on, let me get I'm not really a big fan of like crunchies, but oh my God. Oh my God. The fries, bro. I don't know what I said, but my fries, bro. Bro, freaking amazing, bro. Like, you hear that? And that was a crunchy one too. Like, oh, perfect texture, bro. Perfect texture. Like, it got like the, hold on, let's see if we can get it. It got like the softness of a fry, but also the crispiness, like the softness on the inside and the crispiness on the outside, bro. Perfectly seasoned, bro. Perfectly seasoned. Like, so good, man. So good. And then the jalapeno, kind of like I said, here we get. I couldn't find like the actual size that they had that Red Robin's have, so I had to kind of like work what I have, but pretty much just taste the same. But oh my God, but it's hotter though. But let me get one more fry. I'm sorry, I'm hungry. And that jalapeno's hot too. So this is how our burger is. Can't focus. But yeah, it's all dissected, I guess. This is what it look like, man. I'm just about to slip off. So let's go ahead. Damn. Oh, bro, hold up, bro. Oh. Bro, this is like literally amazing. And the chip, you know. God. Oh my God, this is literally amazing, bro. This is literally amazing. Hold on. And the heat. Now this got some kick. Let me chase it with the jalapeno. Yeah. The bun is incredible. Bun is incredible. Oh. And it's the burger, bro. Man, incredible. Like the burger itself, like the patty, super tender, super moist, super flavorful, man. Oh my God, this burger is literally perfect, man. Like literally perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Bruh, make this. Alright, y'all. Go ahead and do me a favor, man. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You can check out the next video. So I'll see y'all to the next video. I'm about to just kill this shit right here, bro. You still watching? If you're still watching, right? This is literally amazing, bro. This is literally amazing. If you're still watching this, please make this. Please make this, because this is literally the best burger I ever made in my entire life.